In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your Google site, focusing specifically on how to delete the footer section. This simple process can help you better customize your site to fit your unique style and needs. Let's dive right in and get started with this handy guide. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Google site. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Google Sites page. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with your site because without the right access, you won't be able to make any changes. Once you're on your site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the main editing screen, you'll see various sections that make up your web page: the header, different content areas, and at the bottom, the footer. Next, we'll focus on the footer section. To delete it, you'll need to double-click directly within the footer area. This action will typically highlight the entire section, allowing you to see exactly what part of your site you're about to modify. It's a straightforward way to ensure you're working in the right area and considering what content is currently present in your footer that could be impacted by its deletion. Now, towards the left side of your screen, after you've double-clicked, you should see a small panel of options. Here you'll notice a small icon that resembles a trash can. This is your delete button, your gateway to removing the footer you've selected. Clicking on this trash icon will immediately prompt the system to delete the entire footer section. This process is generally instantaneous. However, it's important to be sure about this action, as it will remove all content in the footer. Once you've completed this action, you'll have successfully deleted the footer from your Google site. It's as simple as that. You now have extra space you can use however you see fit or simply enjoy a cleaner look, if that aligns more closely with your website's aesthetic. This flexibility is part of what makes editing in Google Sites so user-friendly. You can easily tailor pages to better meet your needs and the needs of your audience. If at any point you change your mind or need the footer back, remember you can always add a new section by editing your site again. Thank you for following along with this quick tutorial on managing your Google site. Taking control of the small details can significantly enhance the functionality and design of your website. Happy editing, and we hope to see you back soon for more easy-to-follow guides like this one.